This is the new Imalent LD70 EDC flashlight. Very compact, very strong, 4000 lumens, orange peel reflector, which gives you a very smooth transition from the spot to the floodlight. Over 10,000 candelas, and that results in a beam distance of about 203 meters. This light is available in 4 different colors: green, black, blue and golden. We have a magnetic charging port here, the tail switch, a display and a built-in battery, an 18350. Now it is in lockout mode. Press the switch 4 times in a row and it is unlocked, so now the light is activated. And we are gonna switch it on with one click, 20 lumens. Press and hold the switch to go for the different brightness settings: 200, 900, 2000 and back to 20. One press again to switch it off. Double click for the turbo, 4000 lumens. And another double click for the strobe. And again we are gonna switch on the lockout mode by pressing the switch 4 times in a row. And now again, lockout mode is deactivated. You can also take a look at the voltage with a triple click. 3.95 volts at the moment. If you want to know more about this light, you can leave a comment. If you liked the video, you can press the thumbs up. You can also check out the website. I am now looking forward to your message, to your comment, or also directly to your order. See you soon in the next video.